It's a 2018 BMW X6. The verve of a sports car with the guts to go more places, this X6 stands out no matter where you are. Features include automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, integrated navigation system, full-service internet access, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, heated steering wheel, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and twin-turbo V8 engine. Car and Driver proclaims, a star in the rhombus-shaped segment, the weird but intimidating X6 continues to be a surprisingly delightful vehicle to drive. Built for those who don't compromise on quality or driving pleasure, built to be a BMW. Experience it for yourself today.
For your cure for the common commute, visit today. We're conveniently located at 11185 Alpharetta Highway in Roswell, Georgia.